Oh, Matt, how's it going?
Good, yourself?
Good to see you. We're making some food steamer baskets today. Judy boy. Matt's here, mate. So how'd you go, Jude?
Oh, it's over there.
Alright, so we have a food steamer here, Aussie-Made.
Oh, hang on, what happened to your nose? What happened to your nose?
Oh, you should see the other guy, mate. You should see the other guy. Oh, look, yeah, it's actually a little bit embarrassing. I'd prefer not to talk about it.
Okay.
I don't want to draw attention to it.
No, we won't. You don't want to draw attention to what, sorry?
I don't want to. Are you being funny? 4mm tempered glass lid, beautiful. Breather hole, so you can have a look at your food cooking. Wonderful. Big old Australian-made guillotine. John Heen or John Hine, if you like. Totally up to you how you want to pronounce it. But so we take a piece of stainless steel, all right, and then what we do is we cut that to a certain length, and we send that off to a laser cutter. And what they do is they take this. You ready for some magic?
Yep.
And they turn it into this.
That's pretty cool.
And that. Look at this, Matt. Look at this.
Do you have a message for the audience?
Oh, really? Hope you like everything.
We only use the best. So what we're going to do here, okay, I've cleaned up the roller and that's all good, is I'm going to turn this now, okay, into a circular piece. Okay, just let the roller do its thing. All I'm doing is guiding it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now I've turned it into a circle. Now the next stage of the process is to actually weld those joints like that. Okay, so let's see how we go with that. Well, this is called a seam welder. Okay, it's the type of welding is what we call TIG. Tungsten inert gas. Okay, and you set it up and it should do the thing, but there is some manual intervention because these are short and I don't have it set up on automatic. So I have the gas on, which is argon gas. Okay, I've got the welder set up correctly, so the argon and the welder work together to, you know, weld this piece of material. So let's see how we go. Not sure if you can get the camera in here, but you can actually see it welding the two joints together. And then I'm going to manually stop it there. There we go, welded. How good's that? Let's pull that out. And there we have a really nicely welded piece of stainless. One of our best sellers, I might add. But anyway, it's an automatic food steamer in as much as you turn it on. Well, technically it's manual, of course. But you turn it on, get it to the right temperature and walk away. As long as you keep the water level up, you're good to go. So yeah, takeaway stores and the like, even sporting clubs use these as well when they're selling, you know, dim sims, particularly at the footy on the weekend.
G'day, Jace.
Matt, how you going?
Good, yourself?
What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to literally just clean up these edges. Okay, sorry, this joint. Safety gear. We've been asked by a lot of customers, oh, do you do a smaller urn? Oh, 10 litres is too big. So we said, well, look, no, but what we can do is, if the demand is there, we can make a smaller urn. You know, just have to develop it. And so here it is, okay? It's a 6-litre urn. It's going to be called the DU6, which is domestic urn 6-litre. Pretty basic. But you know, we wanted to make have a little bit of fun with it, and you know, make it really functional and easy to use. if we put that in the food steamer, it's too tall. So what we've done is we've had the cutter produce this little bend here, and that's sort of marks where I'm going to bend these feet up. Okay. Now you find in fabrication you do make a lot of your own tools, and here's a little tool that we've made. It's just a little handheld bending tool. Okay, and we use this just around these feet. Okay. And what we do is we tap them down, because otherwise, see how that's quite sharp. All right. So even though you could technically use that as a basket like that, we like to tap these feet down like so. Here we go. That takes off the sharpness there. Now I'm going to push these tabs down, and you'll see this thing. You'll see this baby come to life. Okay, there we go. So now it's ready to have the base put inside. This is a clean base, so I'll use this one. We're also going to say to customers that if they want like a custom little message on there, that's pretty cool, I think. This one here says, "Coffee is proof that God loves us and wants us to be happy." Isn't that cool? I'm going to spot weld these tabs onto the base. Okay. There we go. So that's all spot welded. Matt, I've organised something. We love new tools here. All right. Now, Jason's been, "Oh, Damo, I need a new drill. I need a new cordless screwdriver." Guess what? I got one, and I got a massive deal. You're not going to believe this. $7.50 online. $7.50. Unbelievable, what a screaming deal. And he loves new tools, so I might just go and grab it, okay, and present it to him. All right, and the audience are going to love this because you see the joy in his face when he gets a new tool. It's amazing. All right, watch this. Okay, Jude, can you come here please? Chantal. Now Jace, I know you've been looking for a new tool. Okay, I'm not going to say
I found one.
What?
Right here.
We're going to add some strength in here now. It's what we call swaging. Okay. So, I'm basically just going to put a little ridge or what would you say? Well, we call it a swage. So you'll see what I'm saying as we do it. Carefully. Do it, okay, and now it's very strong, as you can see. So it was flimsy before, and now it's very strong. There you go, mate. Enjoy.
Thanks, Damo. Oh, what is it?
Well, I'm not saying. You've been wanting one for a while.
Oh, it feels like an electric screwdriver.
Ooh, check it out. Maybe it is, maybe it's not.
Wow.
Drum roll.
Oh, Damo! That.
Hang on. Just open it up.
They're a bubble toy.
It said it was a. I've got it on.
Oh, just what I wanted.
I-
Oh, where do I put the battery in?
it's a blasted toy.
Probably
It said cordless screwdriver.
The other one.
Okay, I mean it was. Alright. Okay, can we edit that out? This is a little bit embarrassing. Choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 55 years old. What the heck? Who proofread this thing? Anyway, okay. There we go. So I guess that's it.
I think we can end it there.
Thanks
Thank
for
you very
coming.
much.
Appreciate it,
See you
mate. Thank you.
later. See you, Ron.